equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on maintaining your Thermomix TM5 to ensure you make the most of your warranty. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to keep your appliance in peak condition. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush for cleaning. These tools will help you access the internal components safely. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely powered down before proceeding. Next, remove the base cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off. Now, you'll want to inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of dust or debris. A clean appliance not only functions better but also extends its lifespan. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the surfaces, and the small brush can help dislodge any stubborn particles. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Once you've cleaned the internal parts, it's time to check the seals and gaskets. These components are crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your Thermomix. Ensure they are intact and free from any cracks or wear. If you notice any damage, it's best to replace them to avoid any issues down the line. After you've completed your inspection and cleaning, reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to prevent any rattling during use. Now, let's talk about the importance of regular maintenance. Keeping your Thermomix clean and well maintained not only enhances its performance but also ensures that your warranty remains valid. If you ever need assistance, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Before you start using your Thermomix again, it's a good idea to run a quick test. Plug it back in and check that all functions are operating smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, maintaining your Thermomix TM5 is straightforward with the right tools and knowledge. Regular cleaning and inspections will keep your appliance running efficiently and ensure your warranty stays intact. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.